Sand dunes in Canary Islands. Such a beautiful place here in Gran Canaria, and we chose a seafood restaurant and overlooking the beautiful blue ocean, and you can see the blue sky, white clouds and mountains, and you can see some of the lava rocks. It's a very nice place. Canary Islands, famous for seafood, and this is not even jumbo shrimp. They said they ran out of jumbo shrimp, but to us this is jumbo already. And then we try the parrotfish. And look at the beautiful scenery out there. Phenomenal. We're in the island of Tenerife. Look at that volcanic volcano right in front of us. We're above 2,300 meters elevation. Very beautiful, seeing the clouds below us. We're here in the city of Philover, which is one of the toppest region in Tenerife, and if you like wine, this is where the wineries are. Wow, MoVernie here, Alma Trevido. He is cooking his own wine.
Oh, okay.
Wow, he's cooking, closing up his own wine. He buys his own wine. He got to make his own.
Yes.
All the biceps are working
Do I
hard.
keep going?
Working
Keep
out.
going?
Yeah.
Do I need to hold on to this? Or I can use...
No problem.
All the biceps working out.
Claro.
Oh!
Wow, what an experience, man.
Okay.
Oh.
I don't know if you broke it. I don't know if you broke it though. Wow, this is so cool. This is so cool, man.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's making his
Thank you.
Yeah.
packaging.